Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the latest gadgets and accessories so you know exactly what you're getting. Today, we're taking a close look at the ANGEDUST RJ11 radar detector power cord mirror wire plug tap set. This set comes with 3 power cords designed specifically for radar detectors from brands like Escort, Valentine One, Uniden, and Beltronics. Right off the bat, one of the standout features is the built-in fuse in each cord. This is a safety measure that protects your vehicle's electrical system while providing reliable power to your radar detector. The cords themselves use a RJ11 connector, which is standard for many radar detectors, making them compatible with a wide range of models including Escort Passport, Max Series, Redline, Solo S2, and more. In terms of size, each cord is about 16.3 inches long, which is long enough to route neatly from your rearview mirror to your radar detector without creating clutter in your vehicle's interior. The cords come with convenient zip ties to help with discreet installation, keeping everything organized and clean. The exterior is wrapped in a durable nylon braided material, giving it flexibility while resisting corrosion and wear. This means you can bend and route the cables around tight corners without worrying about damaging them or causing frays over time. Another feature to note is the variety of tap sizes included. The set comes with 3 different sizes, which ensures compatibility with different mirror pin sizes. This makes installation straightforward, since you can select the size that fits perfectly for your setup. The combination of braided quality, proper length, and multiple tap options makes this a versatile solution for keeping your radar detector powered without messy wires dangling from your mirror. Installation is simple and doesn't require any special tools. You simply match the tap to your mirror wiring, plug it in, and route the cable along the headliner or trim for a clean finish. This setup is especially ideal for those who want a professional-looking, low-profile radar detector installation. The nylon braided material not only adds durability but also improves flexibility, making it easier to work with even in tight spaces. Overall, this radar detector power cord mirror wire tap set offers a combination of safety, compatibility, and convenience. With its built-in fuse, durable braided design, multiple tap sizes, and proper length for clean routing, it's designed to make powering your radar detector easy and unobtrusive. Whether you're upgrading your current installation or doing a new setup, this kit provides a reliable, professional-looking solution for keeping your radar detector powered efficiently. That's it for today's look at this radar detector power cord mirror wire tap set. Make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and breakdowns of the latest gadgets and accessories.